First experiment with this plant. I'm gonna use this one that has a little moss already. Este que tiene un poco de musgo. And this should go like this, I guess. The only thing with this pot is that it doesn't have any drainage. Claro, esta maceta no tiene drenaje, entonces I think I'm gonna switch. Entonces, I'm just gonna, but we still need to do the whole change. Tenemos que hacer el cambio completo primero. So, wow. This is usually what you don't want to see on a plant. So we're actually gonna cut some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a scissor. Vamos a buscar una tijera. So, obviously this is an experiment. Obviamente es un experimento esto. Okay. And now, you know, I think I'm gonna try with this, with a small one, like this. Voy a tratar con esta plantita, this tiny plant. We also have this moss that we got from the forest here. Tenemos este hongo, este musgo que sacamos del bosquecito acá al lado. Just gonna return the roots in here. Vamos a devolver las raíces acá. Organic matter, right? Materia orgánica. Looks like noodles, parecen tallarines. And now we're gonna use this soil that we have, tropical, for tropical plants, suelo para plantas tropicales. But first, I'm gonna put this in here, right? Like that. I think that's usually how it goes, right? Against one of the sides, instead that in the middle. Creo que va así, como en una de las orillas, en vez de que vaya en el medio. This is some other dirt. It's more clayey, sandy that I got on one of my walks. It's all stolen dirt. And then this, I think, just gonna go. The dirt, I mean the moss, like this. Gonna work or not, but I think we did see if it funcionar or not, but if it works, it'll look great. Because maybe this same moss can take up over the stick. Quizás este mismo musgo pueda tomar parte hacia arriba. So that will be the plant for now. Ya, por ahora se vería así. Así. And then we just have to wait. Right? Tenemos que esperar nada más que empiece a subir. And see what happens. First experiment, and then I'll probably do another one when I get more pots and more dirt. See you later.